Uh, it is one of the commonest type of the questions that show up on exams, asking for you to determine what is the negative predictive value of a screening test or a positive predictive value of the screening test, or the sensitivity, or they can even ask the specificity of the test. In the previous video, you can go to my channel and see the previous video where I showed how you can determine the formulas for all of these. Alright, so it's one of the complex type of questions that show up on the exam. You can just get the pet marks out of it. Okay, so we read the question. New test to screen for the ovarian cancer in the patients with positive family history is tested on 920 patients. So you have to underline the total number of the patients. Okay. The test is positive in 16 out of 20 patients who are proven to have the ovarian cancer. Out of the remaining, only 10 have a positive test. What is the negative predictive value of the test? Okay, it looks very complex, but we'll make it easier. So we'll draw a 2x2 table. We'll write yes, no, positive, negative. Okay, so the total number of patients are 920, so we'll write 920 here at the corner. We don't have to put this value in any of these 4 boxes. Okay, so this test is positive in 16 out of 20 patients who are proven to have the ovarian cancer. Okay, so the patients who have the disease, yes, will be written here. So total number of the patients who are proven to have the ovarian cancer are 20. So I'll write 20 here. So the test is positive in how many patients? 16 patients. So we'll write 16 here. So 20 minus 16 of 4. So the test was negative in how many patients? 4 patients. Okay. So total number of patients were 920 and the disease was positive in 20 patients. So the disease was negative in how many patients? 900 patients. Okay, so the remaining patients are 900. So out of the remaining patients, only 10 have the positive test. So 10 have a positive test, so we'll write 10 here. So out of 900, if 10 have the positive result, how many patients will have negative result? Obviously 890 patients. So here we have our 2x2 table from the data given above. So now we have the data. Now we have to calculate the negative predictive value. To determine the negative predictive value, as I said, we have to move this way, right? So if we move this way, so negative predictive value would be 890 divided by 890 plus 4. It would be equal 890 by 894. That would come, so it will be around 99.6%. okay, so you will choose the stem of your question, 99.6. Thank you.